Hello everyone! Welcome to Cupid's Cooking! Today, I'm going to make the Filipino style of stew called Oxtail Kare-Kare or oxtail stew with crunchy peanut butter and coconut cream along with fried veggies and cooked shrimp paste. And yes, you've heard it right, this stew has coconut cream in it. Coconut cream adds natural sweetness and creamy flavors to the dish. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. And for this dish, we need the following ingredients: 1 kilogram of oxtail, 2 thinly sliced of onions, 12 cloves of chopped garlic. You need to divide the garlic into 3 portions, 1 teaspoon of annatto powder dissolved in 1 tablespoon of water, cooked shrimp paste, 180 grams of snake beans cut into 2-inch pieces, 500 grams of eggplant cut into wedges, 200 grams of bok choy, 1 liter of beef stock, or you may also use 2 beef cubes dissolved in 1 liter of hot water, 1 cup coconut cream, 1 cup crunchy peanut butter, oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, salt and pepper. So let's get going! Season the oxtail well with salt and pepper while heating the oil and butter in a pot. Fry the oxtail until golden brown. Move the oxtail on the side and saute onions and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Once the onions are soft, combine them together. Pour the beef stock and cover the pot. Simmer over medium heat for 1.5 to 2 hours or until the oxtail is softened. You may add extra stock if required. Or you may also use pressure cooker and cook the oxtail for 30 to 45 minutes. And once the oxtail is cooked through, reduce the heat to low and add the crunchy peanut butter and pour the coconut cream and annatto mixture. Give it a quick stir until sauce thickens. Set aside. And while waiting for the oxtail to cook, heat the pan and fry the garlic until golden brown. Set aside with the oil. You will use this later to garnish the stew. On the same pan, heat the oil and fry the eggplant. You may need to pour extra oil as eggplant absorbs oil like a sponge. You may also soak the eggplant into cold water before frying. Cook the eggplant until soft and set aside. Cook bok choy in the same pan until wilted and set aside. Heat the oil again in the same pan. Saute 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Add the snake beans and cook until wilted. Remove from the pan and set aside. To serve, scoop a good amount of stew in a bowl and arrange the veggies on the side along with the shrimp paste. Sprinkle with good amount of fried garlic. And there you go, our oxtail stew is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!